Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So in this video we'll be talking about Google Trends. So what is Google Trends? Google Trends, as you can see over here, all right, is a website by Google that analyzes the popularity of top search queries in Google search across various regions and languages. Okay, so the website uses graphs to compare the search volume of different queries over time. All right, so Google Trends helps you to see what people are searching for in Google as well as YouTube. Yeah, because Google owns YouTube, so there's definitely a link or connection between the Google algorithm and YouTube algorithm. If you haven't used Google Trends, this video would interest you. Now you can use Google Trends to search for the kind of business you want to do, maybe business startups. All right, whatever you want to search for, right, you can use Google Trends for it. So particularly for this video, we'll be looking at the YouTube how to boost views. Right, so once you get into here, all right, okay, so you can put in keyword here or a phrase or even a topic and then click on the search. That way it's going to search and get the information that you're looking for. But before that, let's just quickly scroll down and see what's happening down there. All right, so if you scroll down, you would see recently trending, right? So you can see what is recently trending. Now, if you check and you don't know what does Michael Berman, you don't know what that means, you can quickly take that keyword, go to Google and search to see what that means. Okay, so that is what it means. On Wednesday, previous day before making this video, it was Cristiano Ronaldo trending, right? So let's further scroll down, right? More trending searches. Okay, so if you go even further down, you will see year in search. You can click and see what happened, what trended within this years. Okay, so that is it for that particular one. Another way you can see what is trending is you click on the menu. All right, now click on the trending searches. Okay, so again we still found that guy topping it. Now you can scroll down to see what are other things that are trending, Trevor Noah and all that. Okay, so this is how to see what's trending on right, what people are searching for. Okay, if you want to follow this, if this is the kind of videos you make or article that you write, you could just pick up any of those topics and search for it via Google and begin to write or create video around it. Basically, if you create random videos on your YouTube, so you can, this would be, definitely work for you. Just pick different keywords and create your video or write article around that. Okay, so over here, real-time trends, you can click there and get what's actually trending. Now here you can change and choose the region that you want to see information around, so you can actually choose the country you want. Good. All right, so let's now search for or go back to the home page. It is best to start from the home page. So here, let me type in, let's say you're interested in losing belly fat. Okay, so I'll type in belly fat. Okay, that's just a keyword, right? And then I press the enter key. So for this particular graph, you will see what's happening here. So the interest over time, which is the graph here, is between 0 and 100. So with this, we can see that the graph is above, right, 50, and it shows indication that it's going upwards. So that's an interesting place, interesting topic to write about or even create video for. via your YouTube. That's especially if you talk about exercises and belly fat. Okay, that especially if your niche area is around the exercise and all that. Now let's go further up here. Okay, you can see the region selected here is South Africa, so I can click that to change the region. So this is worldwide. Let's go for worldwide. Interest over time worldwide, we can see what it looks like. The graph again is not looking bad, and here is pointing upwards, okay, and it's above 50, so the interest is actually increasing or has remained steady. And this can tell you what's going on, all right, whether to make a video around it or not. That is interest over time. So far, for the past 12 months, that is the graph it shows. So you may want to also change that to, let's say, past 5 years. For the past 5 years, you can also say that the interest over time has been good. And that's why people who are into exercise and create videos around belly fat, you can see that they usually have lot of views. Okay, look at it. Look at where that graph is pointing up. It's still showing that it's going to go up. Okay, you can further reduce it. Let's say for the past 30 days. All right, past 30 days. Right. Wow, that is really good. Now remember, the region is worldwide. So this is between 75 and 100. Quite good. Interesting to make a video around belly fat. Now you can then tweak your video. Is it belly fat for women, belly fat exercises? You just tweak that and create video around that. It might just be diet to lose belly fat. It could be, but anything that has the keyword belly fat would trend, right? Categories, you might want to just explore that yourself. And here, okay, we can search and see if this also trends via YouTube, you see. So let's click and see what's happening for the past 30 days via YouTube search. All right, so if we look at this for the past 30 days, we can also notice that it is not below the 50. All right, it goes and you see 72%, which makes a whole lot of sense. Okay, let's see past 12 months. That's for the YouTube past 12 months. So however, it still shows us that it is above that 50. Good. So this is really good. You might want to just make it 7 days and see what's happening. All right. So in all of this, we can still notice what's going on there, not below 50. So belly fat is definitely an interesting area to look at if you are into exercise videos or writing articles or health and all that. So if I go further down, right, okay, so we just finished with the graph region. Now there are other sections here, interest by region, right? So if you point there, you will see people from the Canada, all right, US, Brazil. Okay, you would see all of that. Those are the people who are interested in videos for that. Now this is much interesting here. Related topic. Okay, so focus on this other section where you have related queries. Now this is the query, very interesting area. So lose belly fat. So remember we typed in the keyword belly fat. Now this is what people, queries that people have been putting into Google search, lose belly fat. Now there are different things you can do, maybe by dieting, by exercising and all of that. You can tweak and create video around that. Okay, so here it shows top. Now this is the top search. Okay, sorted it by the top search. You see workout. Now workout is it around belly fat, you can do that. Okay, belly fat workout, belly fat workout exercises and all that. So let's see lose belly fat, what the graph looks like. Let's make that for the past 90 days. Okay, for the past 90 days, it's quite interesting that people are searching for ways to lose belly fat. Right. Okay, so that is how to use the Google Trends. So if you want to make specific video for your region, that would also be nice. Okay, so you just go there and choose your region, and it shows you. Then you can now customize or narrow it down based on the kind of video you want to make around the belly fat. All of this also boils down to the belly fat. Okay, here it says rising. So rising queries, what is the best intermittent fasting? Okay, so you would see people are writing queries, and if I point at that, you will see what is the best intermittent fasting window to lose belly fat. Still on belly fat. Okay, so basically that is it, and how to use the Google Trends to find out what's happening. Now remember, I typed in Google Trends. Okay, how when you put stuff via Google, and how that can help get your videos from YouTube. So this is what you're searching for, and when we go to the videos section, okay, see that keyword. All right, so every video around that keyword is being extracted. And now what kind of video is that? These videos are YouTube videos. All right, so this is why it's important that you find out what people are searching for in your niche area and create video around that. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.